Nofri, hello, we are going to talk today about the passive voice. The passive voice in Coptic is not similar to English, which is verb to be plus the past participle. The passive voice in Coptic, we use the verb conjugated with they, and it is understood that it's a passive voice, whether it's present, past, or future. In present, they becomes say, and shav, av, ev, and the future becomes sena, avna, evna, eve, and then past it becomes av, nav, niav, etav, nishav, iav. In present, it means, for example, if we say the verb talk, say nav, say saji, it means to, it is talked. Shav tagi, it's usually talked. Av saji, it is talked or it's said. If saji, it is talked. If you want to make it in the future, sena saji, it will be talked. Avnat saji, it will be talked. If not saji, it will be talked. If it's saji, it will be talked. If we talk about the past, we say av, nav, niav, etav, nishav, iav. So we say av saji, it was talked. Nav saji, it was talked. Niav saji, it was talked. Etav saji, it had been talked. Niav shav, it was usually talked. Iav saji, it was being talked. Examples here, we say if Samuel, Emo, and Genji, Khin, Befehmot are acquitted themselves freely by his grace. So they are being acquitted. We said if Ismail. If Ismail, it means they are acquitted. They acquitted. And then who was acquitted, we added after the verb. Bashiri Beknovi Sekinake Vol. My son, your sins are forgiven. So forgiven, we used se plus the verb ki vol. Fi it shav wahmef je if not in iman, which is interpreted God with us. So the word interpreted, wanted to make it a past participle, passive voice. So we used shav before it. We here have another example. Fi a av moti rov je kayafa, which is called kayafa. Fi a nishav moti rov kayafa, which was usually used to be kayafa. Fi a nav moti rov je kayafa, which he was being called kayafa. Fi a etav moti rov je kayafa, which he had been called kayafa. Fi a niav moti rov je kayafa, which he has been used to be called kayafa. In future, sinati in han koji in shash, to be given in han koji in shash, a few lashes. So given is a verb, it remains the same, and we added before it sina. You will be given, or would be given for him, in han koji in shash, a few lashes. Today's lecture, you can find it in YouTube CEC channel, and you can find it in archive.org/details/CEC Coptic Educational Channel. You find it in English, and archive.org/details/Coptic Educational Channel in Arabic. And you can find the fonts used in archive.org/details/Coptic language, and you can find them also in the same archive.org pages. Ochebe, most thanks. Shatina Verutin Neo, until seeing your next lesson.